Well, it's December 29th, 6:38 p.m., and we have a pretty nasty squall line just passing through Madison, Alabama. There's lightning flashing. You can see the rain up there in the arc light. The wind has just shifted and I'm getting wet. There's a little bit of thunder, more lightning, and the wind is getting pretty ferocious. Well, good evening. This is Steve Jones. It's about 10:15 p.m. on Sunday, January 2nd, and we've gone in a little over 24 hours from severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings to now we have a wind-blown snow. Temperatures about 32 degrees, falling from a morning high of somewhere in the upper 50s. And this is so unlike Alabama, and it's especially odd given that it followed a day like yesterday. And I'm standing out here now with just my pajama bottoms and a sweatshirt on, and it is a wild night again for southern Alabama. And what a way to start the new year. And I wish all of you a happy new year. That's it from Steve Jones.